Is this the skull life? Is this just symmetry? Caught in the orbit, no escape from anatomy. Open your mouth wide, look at the frame. The facial bones, yeah, they got name and fame. I'm the Messilla baby, I hold it all down. Upper jaw boss in this facial town. I house the teeth and form your face with palatine fusion and sinus space. Mandible here, I'm moving, not still. Lower jaw rocking with TMJ skill. Only movable bone in this bony crew. I chew and talk, that's what I do. Lord, oh, face of mine. You've got 14 bones in line. Some are paired, some ride alone. Together they build your bony throne. We got 2 nasals, bridge the nose and 2 lacrimals. Where the tear duct flows, oh, 2 zygomatics, cheeky and wide. Forming the arches with orbital pride. And for your nasal conche curving in, helping you breathe, let that air begin. And palatine bones deep in the dome, finish the roof of your mouthy home. This is part of Dr. Jany educational lectures. Now give it up for those standing alone, singing solo like a rolling stone. Vomer in the center of the nasal game, splits the septum like it's got no shame. And deep in the orbit we quietly see the ethmoid sneaking with mystery. It ain't just skull, it's facial too, with sinuses and plates and nerves going through. Facial bones, come take a bow. You shape the face we're wearing now, from cheeks to chin and nose to brow. You rock this skull, holy cow. 14 bones, that's no joke, united in one mighty cloak. Give your face a thunderous cheer, cause your facial bones are crystal clear. This is part of Dr. Jany educational lectures. Lord, facial bones, come take a bow. You shape the face we're wearing now, from cheeks to chin and nose to brow. You rock this skull, holy cow. 14 stars in the skull's wide sky. Facial Bones Rhapsody, goodbye.